Yeah, okay. So basically what you see me doing today, considering I'm a mufti, you may be wondering, is just preparations for a maintenance ferry flight. We'll be taking this airplane tomorrow to Cleveland, Ohio for um, a major check. It's a 24-hour month inspection. So I just came to power up the systems, check that the airplane is airworthy, because once it reached its approached its hour limit before the maintenance, we stopped flight operations. How do I mean? An airplane can have 200 hours to fly before a check. So if it's about 200 hours to fly before a check, you can fly. You can know how many hours your ferry to the check facility is going to take. It takes us roughly 14 flight hours thereabouts to get from Abuja to Ohio. So our route is to go from Abuja to Cape Verde, sleep in Cape Verde, go from Cape Verde to Puerto Rico, do a stop after 6 hours, fuel in Puerto Rico, and then fly direct into Cleveland, Ohio. Our maintenance, the Constant Aviation, is actually in Cleveland, Ohio for this kind of maintenance, major maintenance like this. So like we said, this 14 or 15 hours, if we had 200 hours to fly before that maintenance, we subtracted 20 hours, making sure that, okay, by then you get to 180, you stop flight operations, and then use the remaining hours to get the aircraft. So it's fully serviceable as it is. But because we've not flown it for about 2 weeks, waiting to organize the ferry, when I was sending some emails, that's part of what I was doing, communicating with them, getting the route set up, getting fuel on the stops along the way. These 2 weeks, you just have to come and check that the airplane is serviceable, is airworthy, nothing like is out of sync. The services we subscribe to for the CPDLC and the ADSB are all serviceable, otherwise we renew on. It's just part of preparation for a ferry flight that we'll do. So we've checked this front, it's all set, and we're ready to depart for our maintenance ferry tomorrow.